What's up everybody, Prince with Chris here, and you are currently looking at my desk instead of a 3D printer or something I 3D printed, and that's kind of odd, right? Well, a couple videos ago, I mentioned that a keyboard company had reached out to me, and they wanted to send me out a keyboard and some cool things to try out with it. So, without further ado, let's get to the unboxing, but first off, let's just get rid of this one, because we don't need this one right now. That is a different keyboard, so we won't worry about that. Boom, we have the Newfie Kick 75 8-bit Odyssey. I've never used a Newfie keyboard, so this is cool. It says this is a retro-themed mechanical keyboard. Let's see what all there is. Let's get in here. Oh, it turned on. I must have hit something by accident when I was trying to get it open. So as you can tell, it's got RGB. So first and foremost, you get the keyboard. Here we go. So there's an on-off switch. It lets you select your modes between wired and everything. So we'll just go ahead and turn that off. So just real quick, while I have that here, it has off, wired, wireless, and it has Mac and Windows. It's actually set on Windows, or Mac, let's put it on Windows. It does have a dongle and does have a USB-C port. This is really cool. Kind of a clear see-through case. It's got a nice 8-bit themed little graphic on the back. It's got your normal flippy feet that has rubberized ends on that part, as well as if you have the feet down. That's really nice. More to this later. All around, cool designs, 8-bit Odyssey, you can see right, yeah. So actually kind of heavy for a plastic keyboard. Little knob, it's kind of a little tactile feel to it. These keys feel linear. They sound like reds. I'd imagine they're probably reds, but we can get into that just a little bit. The reason why Newfie sent this to me is because they have on their website, they have options to 3D print different things. So what I have with me are a few things that I went ahead and 3D printed ahead of time. These little bits and boops here, that little bip and boop there, and this guy right here, and the piece de la resistance, which I've shown in another video, is boom, this really shiny, probably goes this way, switch plate. Pretty cool. So we may do a typing test later in a different video, but these little curved things right here are these little curved accents. So you see the red, the green there. I can swap that out for purple. This red strip here pops out, and you can swap it. And you can swap it just like that. I have some old supports and stuff I need to still get off there, but you can make it look how you want, whatever color you want. And also in the same spot, in the same vein of that, you have this bad boy right here, which in theory should go in the same spot, just like that. Move these out of the way. And what that would be is a cell phone holder. Look at that. Lay it down. Yeah, you can stand it up. It kind of hits the lip of the keyboard itself. But yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? That's awesome. I guess you can put like a little tablet there too or something like that. Or you can customize and print whatever you want. So the files they have for these already on their website. You can print this, you can print the little corner pieces, or curved, I guess not corner. You can print the switch plate if you want to. You can print a new knob, which I thought I had a knob, but I cannot find it. I know I printed one, but oh well. We'll print that more stuff later and we'll kind of change these things out. But stay tuned. I want to swap everything out. What we'll do is in a different video, I will show everything all put together, and then I'll do a typing test between the stock switch plate and this one I printed out of PETG, and see if there's any kind of sound difference. I'd be curious about that. And yeah, if there's anything else you'd like to see me try with this, please let me know. And yeah, big shout out to Newfie. I'm going to make more videos on this. And yeah, I'm really, really excited to see what all there is to do with one of these right here. Sounds pretty good. Anyway, I will talk to y'all soon. And if you got any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.